Earn money with transform blogging. There are a few suggestions for this transform blogging which I shall read out to you and then go through them in a bit more detail. Starting with 1, release suggestions within you. Number 2, pick a name for your blog site. 3, obtain host from hosting. 4, get familiar with WordPress. 5, install WordPress theme. 6, personalize your blog. 7, brainstorm a blog site topics. 8, create your first work of art. 9, develop content calendar. 10, monetize your blog site. Now, action 1, release suggestions within you. The most effective way to do that is to get inspired by a person you admire in the same niche or industry. Do they have a blog site? If yes, read it. Then start to let your ideas create. If you have one particular, discover someone you appreciate. Then allow the suggestions to develop. Take your special experiences as well as discuss them in your voice. Use your vocabulary and personality, and also don't think of it excessive. Let it move. Your tribe will adhere to you if you remain constant. When it concerns choosing your blog specific niche, there are 2 key inquiries to ask on your own. 1. Do I appreciate finding out about this subject? If you do not enjoy the topic, it will receive your writing. You shouldn't also begin a blog if you do not enjoy what you're blogging around. Whatever subject you select, you need to like it as well as be normally interested and concerning about it. If not, you'll run out of ideas very rapidly. You'll lose any energy you built up at the start. Most notably, you won't have the ability to constantly create content that will certainly develop your target market. If you are still lost, consider the products regarding which people come to you for advice. Do buddies or family members ask for your fitness suggestions? Recipes maybe? Job guidance? With simply a little idea, you'll swiftly establish where your locations of proficiency exist. 2. Are others fascinated in the very same thing? You could seem like the only 20-something that are obsessed with knitting, but there are others around. Do a fast Google search and you'll find over 1 million outcome targets at individuals much like you. You may be questioning if your idea is too wacky, or is it as well wide? My guidance is to obtain a focused as you can on something you're really interested in. If you wish to start a travel blog, for instance, stay away from common words like travel. Pick an extra special topic like backpacking. Step 2. Select a name for your new blog site. Now for the enjoyable part, naming your blog site. This is your brand. It's just how individuals will remember you. Yet do not overthink it. The magic of a brand name obtains constructed with time. Even if you really get stuck, maintain moving forward. The most effective method to arrive on the idea name is to start with brainstorming. In the last action, we talked about letting loose every one of your suggestions and nailing down by specific niche. Currently, it's time to take those ideas and also turn them right into a name. So, open a brand new spreadsheet and order a pen and paper. After that, invest about 10 minutes writing down every word that enters your mind. From there, begin combing words as well as expressions up until something stands out to you. Aim for 5 to 10 possible names and also write them down. Currently, it's time to see if those names are offered as domain names. A domain name is where your blog lives on the web. As an instance, ianjackson.com is my domain name. Ian Jackson is that I am, yet it's likewise my brand name and also what you type right into the address bar to locate me. However, that additionally suggests that you can't make use of the domain name because I currently have it. You might do what I did and use your personal name as your domain. However, for the most part, I suggest selecting a different name for your blog. That will make it a whole lot less complicated to offer the site if you ever want to. If none of your preferred site names are available as a .com, head back to the beginning and keep brainstorming. Here are some additional suggestions for choosing a super domain. Constantly pick a .com when feasible. Avoid using numbers, hyphens, and also homophones. Words that seem the very same, however, are meant differently. Maintain it as brief and concise as possible. Must be easy to state and also understand. Avoid difficult and also frequently misspelled words. When you come down on the reliable available name, click besides instantly and add it to your cart. If you go to WordPress.com, you will find you can get a website built with WordPress for free. Take a little work, but you get all the details to help you out. If you get stuck, then go to Google it, ask Google whatever you need, and you'll find pages and pages of information that will help you set a website up. Other than that, YouTube, how to set up a website, and YouTube will bring up several different videos showing you the way to set up websites. The internet is very, very good. You can ask Greaves or Jeeves, whatever they call him. You can go to Wikipedia, Google, as I said, and also forgotten the name. Yeah, YouTube. That's it. They all give you what you need to know when you're trying to set a website. Don't worry about that side of it. You'll be able to set your website up through following instructions and videos. I hope that you get on well with your project and this video has helped you a little bit. If you like my videos, there is a button below. Press the like button. There's a bell at the top. Press the bell and next to it is all. If you press all, then YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. In the meantime, just another little thing, below my videos you'll find links. If you happen to click on these and sign up for anything, I get a small commission. And thank you once again for coming here and watching this video. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you, and I'm now signing off. So, cheery bye.